Hey guys, so part two of the treehouse for Airbnb. We're over here working at it. So I'm going to show you real quick how we're getting the floor joists up there and everything. So it's just pretty simple, kind of a one-man operation here. You get him up to where it just tips. Then you just position yourself, position the ladder and everything, go up there and screw everything down. So a little more done now than the other day. So let me just walk everybody through it. And once again, I'm learning on my own as well. So far it's been really easy. It's just, you know, working 8-10 feet up in the air. A little bit intimidating. So that's the only thing that I see that would be a little bit dangerous here and everything, you know, because you are working off the ground. But I made these collars, or these braces, and when you've done that, you know, relaxshacks.com, he's got a video on how he done them and everything. So it's pretty similar to it. And everything's screwed to this tree, and I've got to put one more piece up there to keep anything from coming out. And then the beam across there, this 2x8 beam right here across, it's screwed to this tree. The other end's just floating. It's not, all it is just laid up there against the brackets and everything. And then I've just took my floor joists. I'm using 2x6s because, like we said, we're going to use everything out of the pool house. 2x6 is a little bit light for floor joists, but I'm gonna make them 12-inch centers, and so that'll help that. And then we're gonna support underneath it as well with some posts and beams, so it should be good and strong. But like I say, so far it's pretty simple. It's part two of the treehouse build. It's going okay, and I mean, you know, we're off at an angle right here, so you got to really make sure your ladder's good and steady and everything. But it's just like building a shed, building a house, building anything. You know, get your measurements down, lay them up there, screw them down. It all goes together pretty good. So guys, part two, I just want to show you real quick how we did the joists. I'm going to try to show little parts on everything. Just stay with this series, which I think you'll be impressed with the end. Everybody have a great day. It's beautiful weather out here. I'm just having the time of my life out here in the woods. So have a great day, guys. We'll see you later.